Hey guys, today I will show you how to order and use the Binance card for purchases in Europe. So first what you need to do is sign in to your Binance account. Once you're logged in, go to the finance section and click on Binance card. There you will see the option to order your card. Click on order and follow the instructions, which include identity verification and entering your delivery details. After your request is approved, you will get instant access to a virtual card, while the physical card will be mailed to your address. You can start using the virtual version right away for online payments until the physical one arrives. Next, you need to add funds to the card. Go to the card dashboard in your Binance account and transfer money from your spot wallet to your card wallet. This balance will then be used to pay for transactions made with the Binance card. Once loaded, you can use the card at any merchant across Europe that accepts Visa, whether it's online or in-store. Just pay with your Binance card and the cost will be automatically deducted from your crypto balance. And that's it. That's how you order and use the Binance card for purchases in Europe. Thanks for watching.